Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download the TD Bank statement from your TD Bank app. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and after that you will be able to download it. So here is the official website, as you can see, td.com, and here is their official help center, td dot intelliresponse.com, and they have added this official question of how do I view, print or download the statements from TD app. So as you can see, you can just log into your TD app to view and download statements for accounts with online delivery. Just go to this section called My Accounts into the application, like the mobile app, and from here just select the desired account. And once you select the account, select the Details tab. And once you click on Details tabs, after that you'll be seeing an option called All Statements or the Statements. And from there, make sure to select the All Statements option and select the statement period. Make sure to select the statement period of how long do you want the statement, like previous 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. Tap download. This additional step only applies to credit accounts. And after that, as you can read, you can view and download up to 7 years of online statements and up to 6 months of other documents details as well. So make sure to follow the step-by-step process, and once you complete that, after that you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.